Of the many recipes from Konkani households, the one which is loved, the one which is simple, as well as the one which is respected is Dali Thoy. It is as precious as a divine deity to many of us. Therefore, in this episode, let us learn to prepare this simple, tasty, and most loved dish, Dali Thoy, at our homes. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first step in preparation of Dali Thoy is to boil the dal. So here we have taken 125 grams, that is half a cup of Tuvar dal. To that we are adding 3 portions of water in the same cup. Once we have added water, let us add 1/4 teaspoon of healthy dose of turmeric. Next, let us add a little bit of coconut oil. Once we have all these ingredients in a pressure cooker, it is time to pressure cook this. To have a perfectly cooked dal, after the first whistle on high flame, the next 2 has to be on a low flame. Once we have pressure cooked the dal, let us transfer it to a different vessel and allow the mixture to come to a boil. And while we are doing that, the first main ingredient is our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add salt as per our taste, give it a thorough mix and wait for the mixture to come to a boil. Once it has come to a boil, it is time to add a proper tempering to this. So here we have taken a tempering vessel, and to this we are adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, the next addition to this is 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard starts to splutter, let us add 2 chopped dry red chillies. After red chillies comes a handful of curry leaves. Once we have dry red chillies and the curry leaves, the next addition is 5 sliced green chillies. Sometimes green chillies are added while cooking the dal, but in our experience, we find adding the green chillies to the tempering enhances the flavor of Dali Thoy. Once the green chillies and the curry leaves have turned crunchy, the next addition is 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. The most important addition to Dali Thoy is asafoetida, so don't forget to add the asafoetida. Let us add the tempering to our dal and allow the mixture to come to a boil. This is it, my dear friends. In no time, we have our tasty, simple and flavor-packed Dali Thoy. When served with hot rice and a little bit of ghee, it is definitely a heaven on platter, and I really have no words to explain the bliss. If you like this episode, don't forget to click the like button and to share it with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.